Good morning, students. Hope you all have started studying. As earlier we have discussed state in Western Desert, and in that chapter we have discussed the topic Rajasthan. Now in Rajasthan we have discussed about occupation of Rajasthani people, festivals, dress, dance and music, food, tourist place, and shortage of water. Now we'll move further in the chapter and we will discuss about state Gujarat. First we'll discuss about physical feature. Now Gujarat lies on India's west coast. Part of its western boundary lies at the edge of Pakistan. It is bounded by the Arabian Sea in the west and it shares its borders with Madhya Pradesh in the east, by Rajasthan in the north and northeast, and by Maharashtra in the south and southeast. Now we'll discuss about the occupation of Gujarati people. Now Gujarat is the main producer of tobacco. But children, you must be knowing it is not good for our health. And in the main production, it also produces cotton and groundnuts. Other main crops produced are rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, maize and gram. Like Rajasthan, Gujarat is also known for its beautiful handcrafts. Silk sarees are made in Patan and block prints are produced in Ahmedabad. Now about block prints, we have already studied in the state of Rajasthan also. Now Surat is famous for its zari embroidery using gold or silver thread. And that's expensive because they are using gold and silver thread. Now making jewelry and cutting precious stones also are traditional handicrafts in Gujarat. Festivals. Now in India, there are people of different religion and people celebrate different festivals. But the main festival of Gujarat is considered Navratri. It is celebrated around the month of October or November with impressive and colorful ceremonies. Some other festivals are Holi and Janmashtami that the people of Uttar Pradesh also celebrate. Now we'll discuss dress. Now different state they have different traditional dress, depends on the weather or their comfort and depends on their culture also. Gujarati men wear the dhoti accompanied by a shirt and a coat closed with strings, and women wear the sari and choli. Now let's discuss about food. Now Gujarati cuisine is mostly vegetarian. Curry, a savory of curry of curds and fried cakes made from pulses is a popular dish over there. Milk-based desserts are common. Shrikhand is a rich dessert made with curds and spiced with saffron, cardamom, nuts and fruits. Like people of Rajasthan also, they used to love music and dance. In Gujarat also, classical and folk music is considered as heart and soul of Gujarat. Garba and Ras, that's a combination and it is also known as Dandiya, are popular dance forms of Gujarat. So children, now we have covered the topic Gujarat, and based on the topic Gujarat, you will be getting your next assignment based on this. Revise the chapter properly and be ready for the assignment.